What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can clone a 7-figure affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and you know that if someone buys through your affiliate links, you can make commissions. But where we can find those products as an affiliate marketers? I'm going to show you some examples of products that we can promote through this done for you system. This is like a 7-figure done for you system that you can copy and paste. So this is one of the products that we can promote through this done for you system, the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. So the 72-hour challenge is the low ticket product. The price of this challenge is $9, and Freedom Accelerator is the high ticket. So this costs $1997. Another product that we're going to promote through this Done For You system is Legendary Marketer. This is a well-known affiliate marketing product in the affiliate marketing space. This is the 15-day challenge that will teach beginners how to start an online business from scratch, basically with affiliate marketing. And this is the software that we're going to utilize to clone the 7-figure affiliate business. So the name is funnelfreedom.io. Now let me show you the creator of the 72-hour challenge, which is Jonathan Montoya. He created also this funnel, this 24/7 sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And by utilizing this software, funnelfreedom.io, we can promote multiple affiliate products, such as high-ticket products and software, and also low-ticket products. Now, let me show you. So one of the things that we need to do to promote or to copy and paste this 7-figure affiliate marketing business is to go to this page where it says Funnel Freedom. And here we need to click on affiliate link settings and basically copy and paste our affiliate links for all of these products. The 72-hour challenge that I will show it to you, Freedom Accelerator, this is the high ticket product. Legendary Marketer, this is my affiliate link to promote the 15-day challenge. And by copying and pasting my affiliate link here, I can promote the high ticket product, Secrets of Success. This is a training about success mindset of Russell Brunson. We can promote that product as well by utilizing this system. System.io is a funnel builder. Repurpose.io, and as you can see in the screen, GetResponse, this is for email marketing. Udemy, this is for solo ads. BidIQ for keyword research. TubeBuddy for keyword research on YouTube, in video, in Visla. And I'm promoting all of these products by just copying and pasting my affiliate links inside of this page, and then by clicking update affiliate links. Now the next step is to drive traffic to an opt-in page. What is an opt-in page? An opt-in page helps you collect an email and a name, and that information is critical if you want to build an affiliate marketing business for the long term. Now let me show you the opt-in page inside of this software, because this is already set up, so we just need to start sending traffic to it. I didn't need to build this entire stuff. I have here the opt-in page and also the lead magnet. This is the lead magnet, which is the free course. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email. So basically, people are not going to put their information just because you are saying, hey, put here your information and I'm going to send you free updates, or I'm going to give you information. You need to give something so people can give their email. So, and inside of this opt-in page, when they see this page, they are going to click on this button because, hey, I want to take this free course. So you are giving away a free course that Jonathan Montoya has created for his affiliate, and when people click in this button, we can collect the name, the email, and also their phone number. And then this software, Funnel Freedom Data Joe, is going to send this free course by email. So check this out. And inside of the course, people will click all of these parts. For example, best side hustle online to quit your job, the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job, the actual target you need to hit your quit your job. And when they click in all of these modules, they will have the lesson, and below the lesson, people are going to find these buttons. And when they click these buttons, people will be clicking my affiliate links. For example, here they will be clicking my affiliate link for System Data Joe. So let me click on part number 6, because this is a really cool way in which we can promote all of these products. Because we are not selling like directly. So people, they are going to find that they need tools, they need software to build an affiliate business for the long term. So check this out. When they click get repurposed Data Joe, they will be clicking my affiliate link, or Udemy, this is for solo ads. And if they click here, Freedom Accelerator, so I want you to see right over here, that is my affiliate link for Freedom Accelerator, which is the high ticket course of Jonathan Montoya. So this is the first strategy, or the first way in which we are promoting all of those products that I just showed it to you. And the second way to promote those products is through email marketing. We have an entire nurturing sequence inside of this software to promote all of these products. And basically, we just need to work on the traffic side. So that means drive traffic to that opt-in page, which is working for me because I'm collecting emails. And I got my first commission by utilizing this system in less than 30 days. So this is working. So check this out. If I click here, these are the email sequence. So basically, these are emails that Funnel Freedom are going to send automatically. So when someone opting in their information, they are going to start receiving these emails. But I want to show you, I'm going to click on marketing, because I want to show you one of the landing pages that my email list is going to receive. So I'm going to click here on trigger links, then analyze. So check this out. For example, this page, landing page for the legendary marketer. So legendary marketer is this high ticket product. So we're promoting here the 15-day challenge. So check this out. So when people receive an email about legendary marketer, first of all, they will read all the information. And when they click that link, they will open this landing page. So let me show you. Loading fresh data. So they will receive this landing page. So I don't know why it's opening a new tab. I'm going to close this because it's taking too long. Okay, so this is the page, legendary marketer. Okay, so this is the landing page. So when people click that link, they will open this landing page. They will read the headline. They will watch Jonathan Montoya's videos, because we are using the leverage that he has to create content about, in this case, this is a video review about legendary marketer. And when they watch all the lesson, and if they want to get access to that product, they just need to click this button, get access to the 15-day challenge here. which is this challenge. And when people click this button, they will be clicking my affiliate link, because I will show it to you the page in which we need to copy and paste our affiliate links. So that is why this done from your system. So this is basically a 7-figure affiliate business. This is the strategy that Jonathan Montoya used to get his affiliate marketing business to 7 figures. So this is a really cool way that as an affiliate marketers we can use to start an affiliate business. And the best thing of all is that we are building our email list. We are not just sending traffic to the affiliate links. We are building an entire business, because the email list is one of the most powerful assets that you can build. So check this out. I have been using this software, GetResponse, for email marketing. I have been using this for many years, and I have collected 1,248 emails. And why the email list is so powerful? Because I can go to email marketing, click on create a newsletter, and promote almost any product that I want. That is why it's important to promote good quality products, because people are going to know, like, and trust you. So, and if you promote like crappy products, that's not good. You need to promote good quality affiliate products. And one of the best products that you can promote are these ones: Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, GetResponse, Repurpose.io, TubeBuddy, vidIQ. So these are really good quality products that you can promote to help people to build their affiliate marketing business. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. But before, I want to show you some of my results. So basically, this is my affiliate dashboard for the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. And as you can see, I have sent 119 referrals to this company. So this is my affiliate links, and the link that I promote, it's this one, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And I'm going to show you where is that email inside of funnelfreedom.io. So this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page, it's this one. And I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge through funnelfreedom.io, which is the software that you are seeing right now. So let me show you. I have right now $90 in unpaid earnings, and if I go to payouts, you can see that I have, for example, I have earned here $400, $128, $135, $109. So you can see that it's possible to make money with affiliate marketing, but you need to build your own sales funnel or your own 24/7 sales system. And by utilizing funnelfreedom.io, you can copy and paste a 7-figure affiliate marketing business. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you got value from this training. So talk to you soon, and God bless.